Welcome back, my friends. Today we are showing you a 12-in-1 USB-C hub. So let's go ahead, show you guys what it looks like. So right away we see they give a user manual. And the hub itself. So this is a heavy duty hub. So this would plug into anything with a USB-C. And then you can have all these different things. You got SD card, TF card, HDMI, Type-C for power. You have another Type-C. You have USB 3.0, so you got two of them, and then you got two USB 2.0s. On here, you got your other ports, your Ethernet cable port. Overall, this is really nice. Nice strips down here to help it from sliding around. As you guys can see, it only slides a little bit around, but if it didn't have the strip, it would slide all over the place. But with the strip, it barely slides. So overall, it's very nice.